Why couples therapy backfires on a lot of men. Let's be honest, I am an advocate for therapy in general. I think couples who are planning to have a successful marriage or relationship, or even going through a really rough patch, it's a really good choice to actually possibly hire a therapist to help you work through your problems. However, a lot of our clients have told us that couples therapy feels like a setup for men. Men go in thinking it's mutual. Okay, we're finally gonna get to a point of clarity. There's finally gonna be a mediator that's going to see my point of view, only to come out of the therapy session or a couple therapy sessions being labeled as the actual problem. You're told that you're too logical and you need to be more emotional. While there's never enough light shed on the fact that she's always using her emotions to get out of problems, unresolved issues, and that her emotions are always right. And that's a sign of emotional manipulation, whether that's intentional or not. And as therapists, I just want to highlight the fact that I hear you. I get it. I get it completely. What you need isn't to talk more about your problems. What you need is actual change. And hear me out. I call it the evolutionary difference between men and women. Behavioral strategy, if you will. It's always been what has worked in the past, how men and women behave, and specifically power dynamics that doesn't seem to be understood by a lot of modern culture out there. So if you've been to couples therapy and it hasn't worked, or your girlfriend or wife fired that therapist, or even came out feeling more validated about her point of view, and you feel like you've been silenced even more, DM us the word couples to understand how we're a little bit different, because we want to work with clients before we work with couples. Because it's time to save your relationship without losing yourself.